Hello guys, welcome back to the DevOps desk. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a new IAM user in AWS and enable MFA, which is multi-factor authentication for that user to improve account security. Let's get started. So log into AWS console and sign in with your root account or any admin account. So as I'm already in my console, so let's go to IAM. Here you can click on users here, or in the left sidebar you can click users here. So to create a new user, in the top right, click add user. Give a name for your user. So I am entering the name as Jack. Okay, and next, AWS management console access. So for this session I require console access, so I will select this. The password section, auto generated password, and enable this. User must reset the password on the next login. Okay, and in the permission section you can choose three types of permissions. One is group, copy permission, or attach policies. So let me select attach policies and search for IAM user password change policy, because here I have selected the option user must reset the password in the next login. So I am giving this IAM user change password policy. Click on next. Here you can see all the permission, all the roles which you have given to this user. Click on create user. So here you can see user is created. You can directly go to users and select, or you can click on view user. So inside the user you can see username and console access with MFA or without MFA. So you can see it is without MFA. Now we need to enable MFA for this user. Under security credential, go down. You can see multi-factor authentication. Currently there are no MFA attached. So click on add MFA. So give a name for this MFA. I am naming it as Jack underscore MFA. Now there are three types of MFAs. So for this session I will select virtual MFA device, which is recommended. Okay, select this. In your mobile, install Google Authenticator app or any authenticator app. Now click on next. Open the tab and scan this QR code. You can copy and paste this key as well. So let me scan this QR code from my mobile. Done. Now you need to enter 2 consecutive MFA codes from your Authenticator app. Let me enter first code. And after this you have to wait for 30 seconds to generate a new code. Take the screenshot of this QR code and keep it as backup. Okay, I am entering my second code as well. Click on add MFA. Done. Now MFA is enabled for user Jack. Every login, Jack is required to log in with his credentials, username, password, and authentication code. That's it for this session. You have created an IAM user and secured it with MFA. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the DevOps desk, and share it with your team. See you in the next video.